Hi everyone, Carson from Proline. Today we have a great opportunity to meet with Todd Leonard, culinary expert and instructor at UVU. We are going to be giving away a 48-inch gas range for him and his students to use. We're going to be getting some real live feedback from him, features on our range, and his overall experience. So let's get after it. Okay, we're here at the culinary school with Todd Leonard. Just to let you know, this is not a paid sponsorship. We're strictly here as a referral from one of our Proline pros, Jeff Costeller. Really excited to be here.
That little cute burner is awesome. Look how cute that is, bro. And Chef Todd Leonard here at UVU Culinary Arts, Salt Lake City, Utah. I just got this installed. It is the coolest stove. Proline kitchen range, right here in Utah. We're selling them. It's an amazing opportunity. This is the 48-inch 8-burner with 3 types of cooking on the top. Such a diverse range. That's the cool thing. You go from a small burner that will simmer small things, gentle. For me, it's burning cream sauces. So if I wanted to do a cream sauce, that little guy is going to be my best friend. It's amazing. All the way to boiling potatoes. Look at the BTUs on that burner right there. What an awesome, awesome stove. The diversity on the top of this range is unlike no other. Really, really cool. So we have this big high BTU burner right up front, saute pan. I'm going to hit it with mushrooms and onions. Okay, boom. Because we got steak cooking in the oven. And you hear that sizzle. That sizzle right there, that's the symphony and orchestra of the kitchen. And only with the Proline are you going to achieve that type of power, that type of BTUs. Just preheat your pan just a minute, and instantly it's that hot, Quick saute, boom. Amazing, amazing stove. But if you want to be a professional, you want to see that instant flame, boom. All of a sudden, instant flame. You have options of induction, glass top, all these different stoves, right? Guys, please, there's nothing better than fire at your fingertips. There's nothing better than cooking with fire. Instant flame. Turn it down, turn it up. All of a sudden, you're not waiting for glass. You're not waiting for induction. Go with fire, man. Gas range. What an awesome thing. Our oven, what a cool oven this is. Look how nice and beautiful that blue outline is. Beautiful light. This is both a convection oven and dead air oven. Look how perfect it roasted this New York strip. Absolute perfection. You're sauteing, you're roasting, you're boiling. Nothing better than the Proline.